Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make homemade flaxseed and aloe vera gel. If you're interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So for the first part of the recipe, you're going to need some whole flax seeds, which I got this bag from Walmart. And for the second part, you're going to need some aloe vera juice. So first I'm just going to grab a pot and I'm going to put a 1/4 cup of flax seeds into the pot, and then I'm going to follow that up with 2 cups of water. So the flax seeds has been boiling in the water for about 10 minutes, and as you can see, the consistency of the water is still kind of liquid. So I'm just going to give it another 10 minutes on medium heat so that way it can thicken up. So after 20 minutes, the consistency has gotten a lot thicker, and now it's ready to be removed off the stove, and I'm going to let it cool for about a good 15 to 20 minutes. So now that the flaxseed gel has cooled down, I'm going to go ahead and strain it. I'm going to be using this stocking cap, but I guess I let the flaxseed cool down a little too long, because then it became very thick and it was hard for me to squeeze out the gel. So I ended up having to switch to a different stocking cap. The stocking cap that I switched to was a dome mesh cap, which was a lot stronger, because as you're going to see later on in the video, this stocking cap ended up, I guess I ended up puncturing it, and it got a hole in it, so I had to switch.
What we do here is go back.
Alright, so the flaxseed ended up cooling down a lot quicker than I thought, and it got super thick. So this was how much I was able to squeeze out of it. Well, I didn't really try that hard, I ain't even gonna lie to you, but but I don't need that much anyways. So I'm just gonna add some aloe vera juice into it. I think I put about a tablespoon or two into it, and I'm just gonna mix everything together. So I'm going to be using the flaxseed gel to refreshen some old mini twists that I have in my hair. So I just finished this section of my hair, and as you can see, my twists look moisturized, and you can see the ends of my hair, the curls are more defined. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I appreciate all you guys' support. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.